Quick, simple, super easy. That's how I like appetizers. Canapé with surimi and potato. Look how easy it is, and look how amazing it looks. You just need 3 potatoes and a few other things. We boil them, 20-22 minutes on low heat until they're perfect, depending on how big they are. It'll take more or less time. I'm going to show you a trick. If you poke them and they come off, they're perfect. Great trick. We're going to leave them here so they cool down and we don't burn our fingers. Next ingredient, 150 grams gulas or a whole package in 60 seconds. They're on medium-high heat and that's it. Once they've cooled down, we cut the potatoes like this into slices, about a centimetre and a half thick, more or less. We're going to give them a touch in the same pan where we prepared the gulas. We sear both sides until they're crispy. Because they're already cooked, then you take them like this, put them on a little plate and place the gulas on top. There you go, a good pile, be generous. And then the final touch, pimentón de la vera. For me, sweet, since the kids don't like spicy. So I have to use this, otherwise I'd pick the spicy one. It turns out spectacular. You choose fresh parsley and the dish is finished. We go to the center of the table. Potato and surimi canapes. Spectacular arrangements. Who offers more?